Is your Wi-Fi acting up again in London? You're definitely not the only one, mate. Imagine this: you're chilling in your flat, trying to stream a show, and boom, buffering a circle of doom. Or worse, you're on a Zoom call and the connection just dies. Classic nightmare. But don't stress, here's how to sort it. First off, move your router somewhere central, not shoved in a cupboard or behind the telly. Big thick walls or metal furniture, yeah, those mess with your signal, so keep clear of that. Still slow? Might be time to upgrade to fiber. It's way quicker. And if your place is a bit bigger, grab a Wi-Fi extender to kill off those dead spots. Now picture this: no more lag, no more frozen screens, just smooth browsing and crystal clear calls. Lovely, right? If that helped and you fancy the full breakdown, just search "How to Fix Wi-Fi" by Top Gadget or tap the link below and get sorted.